Today we having some problems with old Betsy.
Fuck Betsy.
She didn't want to start. I think she's out of diesel, and I put some more diesel in her and she won't fire. So tell me what you think it is. So she's got a new crank position sensor. It's been in there for a while. It's got new building oil pressure. It's building oil pressure. Really? It's echoing right into this cab.
Huh?
It echoes right into the cab. Idiot. Alright, so watch. I've been started so much my batteries are like not having life now. Check out this fancy new switch I put in now. Call that my juice button.
More power.
Let's see. She still ain't starting though. None. See, she building oil pressure. So I don't know what's going on. Interesting. But check this out. So you can see it. This one's my mains, and this one's the deep cycles in the back. And this new handy dandy switch links them. So we turned it off. You can see the rears obviously aren't dead. It's the mains that I've been killing trying to start this thing. So, but I'll show you how I linked them up. What do we got going on? We'll start with the back. So we're back here. So I got 4 deep cycles, and they're all linked in parallel series. And then everything runs through this wire right here to this mega fuse. Oh, I can't see shit. It's not very bright back here. There we go. So everything goes to this mega fuse down that red wire to the front of the truck where that switch is at. And then we got another one of these Blue Sea things, and we're gonna clean up all this wiring. That's my goal this week, is we're just gonna clean up all the wiring that I have in the back of here. So let's go to the front of the truck. Oh.
Easy there, cowboy.
Yeah. So the wire runs down there on the inside of the frame through that big shielded cable up through right through there. You can see them, the 2 of them. Through the firewall right there to the back of this switch. So see where the rear's at 13 because the solar panels are hitting it right now. So these are just charging the deep cycles right now. But if we want the rear, since they're dead, we want to charge them, we'll go ahead and just turn the knob. Look at the front's going up. But the front ones are pulling a lot of juice because they're dead. So, I'll show you something else. But now the solar panels are charging all 6 batteries, which is real nice to have. So if I was stranded in the middle of nowhere, I got something to charge the truck. Because it's real freaking sunny here in Texas. But then, so we went and bought this charger so I can charge. It's a dual bank charger, so it can charge my mains and the solar panel ones separately. So it's pretty cool. And it just plugs in right here. But we're gonna make a nice flush mount plug right here for it, so it's not dangling. So, and then everything goes through right here. There's another mega fuse, so if this shorts out on the firewall or somewhere in the alternator for this cable, it'll blow this mega fuse before it burns down the truck. So it's pretty snazzy. I don't know if you can see in there, that's where the cables go through the firewall. But I'll try to start it one more time. I don't think anything's gonna happen, but just wanted to show you guys mainly my electrical system, and I don't even know where the fuck keys are in it. So let's see. I got nothing. All right, so took off the fuel bowl cap, and it was all full of air, and then we primed the system a couple times and it filled up. So I'm gonna see what happens now. You go ahead and start it, but the batteries are pretty they're getting kind of dead, so we busted out the old faithful. I think it's gonna take a little bit of cranking. Oh! I let it chill a minute. So you get when you turn the key off, and you turn it back on, it primes for like 30 seconds. Yeah, so turn the key and just let it chill. But that was something more than I got. Oh. Yeah, let's let it prime it again. What, the throttle?
No.
Oh, okay. She coming. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Okay, she all fixed. What? Yeah, disconnect them. Okay. Alright. Read it out.